have a new module. This is ESP-01 Wifi Module. So this is Wi-Fi module. It has 8 pins. TX, transmitter, enable, reset, 3.3 volts to supply. Then RX receiver, I00, that is the input-output pins. IO2, input-output pins, then the ground. It has 8 pins, and this is a Wi-Fi module. And we're going to blink this LED, onboard LED, or to control this. We're going to control this LED using the Wi-Fi function of this module. So we can use this. This is a programmer for this Wi-Fi module. This is a USB driver, UART programmer for the ESP-01, and I connected the push button to the ground and then to the IO pin 0. So whenever we're going to upload the code using the Arduino code, we're going to pull it down to the ground by pressing the button. So we need this button. So I made this button. This is DIY. And then to control this LED, we need to check first if there is a driver to our computer. Okay, let us first connect this to the computer to know whether there's a driver for this board, so that we can use also this ESP to program or to upload the code. Let us insert this to the computer. We need this in order to communicate with the computer or to connect this Wi-Fi module to the computer. So the function of this programmer is to program the code and to connect this ESP-01 to the computer. Okay? We are now going to connect this module programmer to the USB extension of our computer to verify whether there is a USB driver. I think the IC here is CH340G. That is the USB driver IC, responsible for connecting the ESP this to the computer for programming. So this programmer, we're going to verify first the driver, if there is a driver in our computer. We now know that there is a USB driver, which is the CH340G IC. So the driver is successfully installed inside the computer, and we are now ready to program the Wi-Fi module using this programmer. Connect this Wi-Fi module and then To enter into programming mode, to upload the code, we need to press and hold this button. Press and hold, and then insert, then release. Then we are now ready to use the Arduino code to program this Wi-Fi module. Our goal is, main objective is to turn on and off this LED, onboard LED of this Wi-Fi module. Let us see the program. We are now done with our uploading the code. So our main objective is to turn on and off this LED, controlling this LED using Wi-Fi. And since you are done with uploading the code, and we already done with that, we can now use this external power bank. This is power bank Senzel. So you can see here we have now the power bank as a supply. We no longer use this USB extension. So what we've done is we installed the board manager, the board driver, the URL JSON file, and then after that we uploading the code, and then done uploading, and then now we're going to test this LED using tablet Galaxy Tab 2. Okay, tablet. This is Galaxy Tab 2. You can see here it's a Galaxy Tab 2 tablet. And going to the settings. To the settings, you see here the Blondie, that is the Wi-Fi name, and then connect. I already tested it, so that's why it has no password. Password is not been used, has not been used since we tested it already. So Blondie, You can see here Blandy. Okay, Blandy connected. And then we're going to use the Google, the web server, Google, the one Google. And then the IP address 192.168.4.1. So we can type that here, just like this one, 192.192 dot point 168.4.1, and then go. You can see here that is the web server. Where is the web server? Web server. That one is the, will now become the user interface to turn on and off this web server, or this user interface is also in the code, Arduino code. That's why we have this user interface. When I press the button here, turns off, on, off. It toggles or it latches. On, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. Okay. Again, on, off. So we can now control the LED, onboard LED, using the Wi-Fi. This is a Wi-Fi control. On, off, on, off.